Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss on how to add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 decimal places without regrouping. Again, without regrouping. This should be grade 5, quarter 2, week 5, day number 4. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, we're going to discuss the quarter 2 week number 5, day number 4, add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 digit or 3 decimal places without regrouping. Again, it's emphasis on without regrouping. Now, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to add decimal numbers with decimal parts up to 3 decimal places without regrouping. So, steps in adding decimal number. First, you're going to write the decimal numbers in column. Second is you're going to add the decimal numbers like a whole number. And then, third is you're going to align the decimal point to the answer to the decimal numbers above. Okay? Now, let's have some example to further analyze how to add the decimal numbers. First, add the following. Number 1, 25 and 3 tenths plus 4 and 482 thousandths. So, align the decimal in column. So, you need to align the decimal point in column. So, we have 25 and 3 tenths, 4 and 482 thousandths. So, align the decimal point in column. Make sure this would be aligned properly. Then, to make the two decimal numbers same number of highest place value, you need to add 0. Okay? So, add 0. Then, proceed to addition as a whole number. So, 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. 0 plus 8, the answer is 8. And 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. 5 plus 4, the answer is 9. And then, we have the 2. Then, step number 3, you need to align the decimal point in the answer. So that would be the correct answer. 29 and 782 thousandths. Okay? Next, number 2. We have 64 and 23 hundredths plus 4 and 657 thousandths. Again, you need to align the two decimal in column. So the decimal point must align vertically. So that you need to answer it properly. Okay? And then make the two decimal numbers same number of highest place value by adding zeros. Okay? And proceed to addition as a whole number. 7 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3, the answer is 8. 6 plus 2, the answer is 8. And then 4 plus 4, 8. Bring down 6. And then bring down the decimal point. So the answer is 68 and 887 thousandths. Okay? So simple as that. Okay, for example number 3, we have 863 and 46 hundredths plus 31 and 233 thousandths. So again, the process, you need to align the decimal point vertically, then add 0 to make the two decimal numbers same highest place value, or no need to add. So bring down 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 6, 9. And then bring down 8. Then don't forget to place your decimal point. Okay? So the answer is 894 and 693 thousandths. Then for number 4, we have 26 and 144 thousandths plus 51 and 302 thousandths. Now, again, align the decimal point vertically. So, by this example, no need to add 0 because the two decimal numbers with the same place value, highest place value. So, proceed to addition. So, 2 plus 4, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. And then, don't forget to place your decimal point. The answer is 77 and 446 thousandths. Okay? Simple as that. Okay, so example number 5, we have 12 and 7,531 thousands plus 24 and 324 thousands. Okay? So, align the decimal point in column. Then, add 0 to make the two decimal number with the highest place values of 10,000. Then, proceed to addition. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. Then, 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. Then, 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. Then, don't forget to place your decimal point. Okay? So, the answer is 36 and 8,771 10,000. Okay? So, that's it. So, try to practice your skills by answering guide practice at the following decimal numbers. Okay? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. Okay, so ready? Let's try to reveal the answer for number 1. What do you think is the answer? For number 1, the answer is 3 and 433 thousands. Okay, correct. Number 2, answer is 8 and 513 thousands. For number 3, we have 6 and 554 thousands. Okay, and number 4, we have 8 and 777 thousands. And number 5, the answer is 8 and 350 thousands. Okay, so that would be the correct answer for each of the following question. Okay, so take note in adding decimal numbers. First step is you need to write the decimal numbers in column. Second is you need to add the decimal numbers like a whole number. And then third, you need to align the decimal point of the answer to the decimal numbers above. Okay? To make your answer correct. Okay? So, in real life application, Lisa bought 2 and 125 kilogram of mangoes. And we have 3 and 234 kilograms of bananas. How many kilograms of fruit did she buy in all? So, as you can see, in all. So, the operation is addition. So, all you need to do is to add the 2 and 125 and 3 and 234 thousands. So, add 4 plus 5. The answer is, okay, again, align the decimal point in column. So, 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. And then don't forget to place your decimal point. So the answer is, Lisa bought 5 and 359,000 kilogram of fruits. So, try to practice your skills at the following numbers. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.